Hey guys, we're at the Castleford and Barkstone station level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Okay, now we're down. Right, the time now is 6:58 on the 7th of February 2023. And this is for a 1 Zulu 26 cross-country service. Yeah, I'll just keep you guys on the lights for a few seconds until the train comes through. Should be on its way. I'm going to move over to this side to try and get a better shot of it. And also get a far shot of the crossing. Here it is. Class 212. 212, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, we're at the Castleford and Barkstone station level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Oh, Hangman! What's it doing? What's it doing? There we go. Right down. Now we are in for a Southwestern Railway train. So the head code would be like 2 India 36 Southwestern Railway service. Let's say here. Should be coming down. Usually trains coming from the Exeter bound, like down Exeter sides, usually take quite a while to get here, and this crossing usually gets lowered early for that, so I think it's been lowered a little bit early, but it doesn't even matter. Yeah, we'll just wait for the train to come through, I guess. Right, this crossing here has one slow alarm and one regular speed alarm. One of them. And this crossing is a little bit unique because it has the kind of New Malden lights. So as you can see, there's 2 lights on one side. So there's 3 facing one direction and another 3 facing the other direction, which I think is pretty neat. And that's quite cool, I think. But yeah, the train should be getting here at any moment. Oh, there we go, 159. And up they go. Wow, that was a late raise. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, so the Barkstone Park foot level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Time now is 19:07 on the 7th of February 2023. This is going to be a double pass, hopefully. And we got a 1 Zulu 22 cross-country service right here. 212. I mean, no, 221. Yes, double pass. And then we're also in for your 2 India 23 Southwestern Railway service. We've got a 159. 159. And thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, so the Barkstone foot level crossing, Barkstone Park foot level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Time now is 19:08 on the 7th of February 2023. This is for your 1 Zulu 16 cross country service. Here it is. We got a 221. Go, we got a 221 and thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, so the Burlington level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Hangman. Another hangman. Oh, never mind. Right, now we're down for a 2 India 27 Southwestern Railway service. I have a feeling. Or at least it should be anyways. Yeah, should be coming down the line. Just gonna get a quick view of the crossing from all the way back here. I feel like it looks quite cool. Should be coming down at any moment. Because they usually do come quite quick because this crossing lowers like a little bit late sometimes. Depends on the signalman. All I know is the Southwestern Rail service. Oh, here it is. See, it's a 159. Here it is. We've got a 159 and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, so the Burlington level crossing in Roblox with Leo. As we don't get a hangman this time. Yeah, we didn't. There we go, now we're down. Now, time now is 9:15 on the 7th of February 2023. This is for your 1 Zulu 15 cross-country service. Now, since this one's coming from the Exeter side, it's probably going to take a while to get here, because sometimes they mess up with the timing on when these crossings should be going down. So sometimes the trains can come quite early, and sometimes they can come quite late. Or the crossing just gets lowered early and late, sometimes. It should be coming down. Or at least it should be on its way down. Going off to London. I think. I accidentally hit my microphone, sorry about that. Here it is. I hear it. It's a 221. Go, we got a 221 off to London, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, at the West Streeton foot level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Oh, barrier stopped for a second. Hangman. Right, now we're down. So time now is 19:19 on the 7th of February 2023. This is for your 1 Zulu 31 cross country service, and also your 2 India 06 Southwestern Railway service. So now the London to Exeter cross country train is probably going to come first, knowing how far away this crossing would go down if an Exeter an Exeter train was. How far away this crossing would be from it. So I have a feeling that the cross-country service will come first, or it might be an actual double pass. Who knows? We'll just wait and see. Let's get a far shot of this crossing. This crossing has halogen lights, as you can see clearly. Oh, there's the Southwest. There's a 159. And the cross-country train's here as well. 221. There both of them trains go, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, here at the West Streeton foot level crossing in Roblox with Leo. And we got a hangman. Longer hangman. There we go. Okay, now we're done. And this is for our it's definitely for a cross-country service. So this is for our 1 Zulu 25 cross-country service from Exeter to London's Pancras. I like these halogen lights, they actually look quite cool. Especially since it's Roblox. So you'd expect them to be a little bit dodgy. But they actually look better than some of the other ones that I know in some of the other games. hear the train. There is. And it's 221. Off to London St Pancras. And up they go. That was a late raise as well. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, we're at the Streeton Station level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Oh, we've got a hangman. Stand back. Here we are. Another hangman. Oh. And down. Right, we're down. Now, the time is 1925 on the 7th of February 2023. This is for your to India 20 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Hampton Court. I would say it's almost getting to the Burlington station. Burlington and whatever the other name is. It's probably almost here, so yeah, I can definitely hear it a little bit now. I might have been wrong. Oh, there it is. 159, and up they go. Oh! Okay, well, I don't know what that was. Right, thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, at the Streeton Station level crossing in Roblox with Leah. Okay, no hangman this time. Time now is 1928 on the 7th of February 2023. This is for your to India 12 South Western Railway service from Hampton Court to London Waterloo. Which should be coming just down the line right about now. Stay on the lights for a second until I can hear it, because these trains, for some reason in this Roblox game, the 159s are absurdly quiet. It's quite hard to hear them unless you turn your sound up like all the way. You can hear them from miles away. But if you haven't your sound down like me, because I'm a headphone user on PC, so yeah, I don't want my ears destroyed. Thank you very much. Oh, there it is. 159. And there they go. Oh, it did that It did that weird thing again. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, at the Green Lane level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Right, and we're down. So time now is 19:32 on the 7th of February 2023. This is for your 1 Zulu 26 cross country service from London St Pancras to Exeter. Should be coming down the line. Just about now. Coming down this line. While we're here, we got the telephone, which I cannot open, which is really annoying. So, telephone. Useless. Oh yes, and I forgot, this is also a double pass. So we got another, so we got 1 Zulu 23 cross country service from Exeter to London St Pancras. But I would have a feeling the one going to Exeter would come first. All I know is that it's going to be a double pass for now. Here she is, 221 to Exeter, and we're staying. Yep, here's the other 221. There we go, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, cancel closure, let's try that again. Thank you. Right guys, here we are at the Upper Caliphord level crossing in Roblox with Leo. And we've got a... Oh, yeah, it is a hangman. And another flipping hangman. Come on, crossing. You're on your way. Alright, time now is 19:39 on the 7th of February 2023. This is for your 1 Zulu 26 cross country service from Exeter to London St Pancras. Don't know when it should be coming through. At least this, crossing doesn't have a useless telephone. At least. I'm glad. Okay, you got your other lights. It only has 2 alarms. I thought it had 3 alarms. Usually crossings that look like this have... Well, not 3, 4 I meant. Should be coming from Exeter right about now. Should probably be on. Yep, here it is. 221 to London St Pancras. And up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, you're at the Upper Caliphord level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Oh, hangman. Right, now we're down. Now, time is 1941 on the 7th of February 2023. This is 41 Zulu. 31 cross-country service from London to Pancras to Exeter. Far shot. It's probably like right near Streeton station right now. So it should be coming past this level crossing at any second. Yeah, I can see it down the line. I can see it. It's right here. Yep, there is. And we have a 221 off to Exeter. Here we go. We've got a 221 off to Exeter. And up they go. That was a little bit of a later raising. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, you're at the Calford level crossing in Roadblocks with Leo. That's a long amber light. With this crossing has old barriers. Hangman. Right, now we're down. Right, time now is 1944 on the 7th of February 2023. This is for your to India 21 Southwestern Railway service from London Waterloo to Hampton Court, and to India 20 Southwestern Railway service from Hampton Court to London Waterloo, which is going to be a double pass, I'm pretty sure. I'm quite so sure. Yeah, I guess we'll just see what happens. I would have a feeling that the train going to Hampton Court would come first. Or I might be wrong. No, I was wrong. 1 to London Waterloo came first. So 159 to London Waterloo, and the other 159 to Hampton Court, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, here at the Calford level crossing in Roblox with Leo. Down they come. Right, the time now is 1948 on the 7th of February 2023. This is for you. 1 Zulu 22. Cross-country service from Exeter to London St Pancras. Just get a faraway shot. Okay, it should be on its way now. So I'm probably going to go over to this side. Here she is. We've got a 221. For tones. Here we go, we got a 221 with tones, and up they go. Off to London St Pancras. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.